Hello everyone, welcome back to another Computer Easy La video. In this video, I will go through a brief introduction to the Notepad application that can be found on your computer. So before that, I will go through a different functionalities of Notepad. Then I will show how to create and type in some text into a Notepad file. Then after that, I'll show you how to save your text file, and lastly, how to reopen it in Notepad. So what can you do with Notepad? You can use it to quickly jot down any notes or text that you want and save it inside your computer. You can also use Notepad to read notes that you have previously created in the past. So how do you create your text file? First, you need to open up the Notepad application using the Start menu. To do that, you can either press the Windows key on your keyboard or click on the Start button at the bottom left side of the screen. Now that the Start menu is open, we can search for Notepad application by typing NOTE. Now we see the Notepad application is now shown on your computer. So I can click it, and then now Notepad is open. Now we can type in any text that we want. For instance, maybe I want to type in the playground link inside. So I type in cel.land. Now, how do I save this text file? After you have finished typing your text, you can click on the file button at the top left corner over here. Then after that, we can click on the Save As button over here. Now your computer will show a screen for you to choose a location where you want to save the file. For instance, maybe I want to save it in my desktop. So I can click on the desktop folder, then click on the box at the file name near the file name field over here. So this will allow me to name the file whatever that I want. So suppose I want to name it playground since it contains the playground link. So I type playground. Now that I've typed in the file name, I can click on the Save button to save it. So now my new note has been saved on my desktop, and I can safely close the Notes app without losing any data. So I close it by clicking the X button at the top right of the window. Suppose some time has passed and I want to reopen my text file that I had previously saved. So how do I reopen? I need to first reopen the Notes app, or the Notepad app. So to do that, I can open up the Start menu. So I can either press the Windows key or click on the Start button at the bottom left side of the screen. Now I search for the Notepad app, and then I left click it to open it. Now to reopen my text file, I go into this file menu over here. So I click on it, then I click on the open function. Now the computer will bring up this screen over here, which will allow you to choose the note that you want to open. So suppose I want to reopen playground.txt, so I can double click it to open it again, or I can click it once and then I can click on the open button here, and then it will open up the file. Okay, now the file has successfully been reopened. Thank you for watching our Computer Easy La introduction to Notepad video. Be sure to try out the Notepad practice in the playground as well. You can access the playground at the link shown at the bottom of this screen. The playground link can also be found in the video description down below. So thank you once again for watching this video, and we hope to see you back here again in the future.